Imagine standing at the threshold of the job market. What skills do you clutch in your arsenal to ensure you're not just another face in the crowd? In our rapidly evolving digital age, tech skills have become the new currency, pivotal for survival and growth. Today, we're going to delve into the top 5 tech skills that are in high demand in the year 2024. Number 5 on our list is cybersecurity. In an era where data is the new oil, protecting this valuable resource is of utmost importance. Cybersecurity is the shield that safeguards our digital world. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, the need for professionals who can combat these digital villains has never been higher. Cybersecurity skills not only guarantee job security, but also provide the satisfaction of making the digital world a safer place. Coming in at number 4 is data science. The ability to analyze and interpret complex digital data is a highly sought-after skill. Data science is the compass that helps businesses navigate the vast sea of data and make informed decisions. If you can speak the language of data, you'll find yourself in high demand in a world that's increasingly data-driven. The third most important tech skill in 2024 is artificial intelligence and machine learning. These twin technologies are the driving force behind many of the cutting-edge innovations we see today. They're shaping the future of everything from healthcare to transportation. Acquiring skills in AI and machine learning could open doors to exciting and futuristic job roles. The runner-up in our countdown is cloud computing. As more and more businesses move their operations to the cloud, the need for professionals who understand this technology skyrockets. Cloud computing skills are no longer a luxury, but a necessity in today's job market. They offer the promise of job flexibility, high pay, and the chance to be part of the digital revolution. Finally, the number 1 tech skill to master in 2024 is coding. Coding is the backbone of the digital world. It's the language that drives everything from your smartphone apps to space exploration. Knowing how to code sets you apart in the job market, offering opportunities in a vast array of industries. It's a skill that's not just about understanding computers, but also about problem solving and creativity. So there you have it, the top 5 tech skills for 2024. Cybersecurity, data science, AI and machine learning, cloud computing, and coding. Each of these skills holds the key to thriving in the digital age. They offer not just job opportunities, but also the chance to be part of shaping our future. So, equip yourself with these skills and step into the job market with confidence. Remember, in the digital world, the best investment you can make is in yourself.